So near the Stephen and Hilton Coliseum in Ames, and just looking at this lightning. Waiting for a friend to come here, so I'm just doing a little video of like showing a bit of the lightning view. This is like around Fort Dodge, around Webster City where those lightnings are at. Oh, wow, look at that, just the lightning of it. But I'm around Ames near the stadium area, and I guess near this area too. Wow, look at the beauty. The lightning. Wow. I mean, the video oil, you've probably seen how amazing it is, oil, but wow. Definitely amazing. Holy shit. But look at this. Look at the view. Like, look at the clouds around that moon. Oh, yeah. Definitely see that moon. The clouds all around it. Just looks amazing. I just like how the view with the camera is. I mean, wow, such amazing view. Oh yeah, you can definitely see the lightning out there. Oh shit. Definitely the beauty of it.